GhostPepperChallenge.com and put everyone like us on there. Yeah, you'll get about 500,000 YouTube hits in a moment. What's your name? Nice. Yeah. You're on vacation?
Yeah, I came on vacation all the way to Florida.
There you go, buddy.
Where the Cajun from?
About a 6.
Whoa!
How's that 6? Are we up to 7 or 8 yet?
Yeah, we got there. We're just about hitting 10.
Want some milk? Seriously, you want some milk? Let's get some milk. You gotta trust me.
Yeah, that was what he said about the 12 closing up, he was not kidding.
Is that some hot shit or what?
That is the hottest thing I've ever fucking
Want some milk or something?
Yeah, need some milk.
Yes.
That takes some kahunas just to eat one of those things, man.
It hits you right after you swallow it, too.
Very few people will eat one of those.
Damn, so I've heard stories about it.
She's got the milk coming, I promise, bro.
I think smoke just came out of his mouth.
In his ears.
She's bringing some.
Slam it, dude.
Yeah, it gets rid of it for about 2 seconds and goes out back.
Hey, I can't imagine it without milk. I can't imagine it without milk. I think that's the next rule is no milk.
I wouldn't do it without milk. No way.
I sent a picture. He showed me the face. Like, why does Jones have a face in a bucket of, or a bag of ice? I told him why, and I told him how much it made. He said, "Bro, Chris, eat one." I'm like, he said he wouldn't do it for 500. I'm not eating one for nothing.
Holy shit.
Yeah, get your face, dude.
You eat one?
I told you it was a real joke.
He's gonna wake up in the morning and be like, what the
Jacksonville.
Hey, now definitely I'll remember Jacksonville probably the rest of my life.
You sure you don't want one? Hey, would you ever eat another one?
You ever eat another one?
You were looking fucking. I knew it hurt, but you were looking something like that. I knew it hurt, but you were looking like
I would. Not right at the moment. Because I would.
I still feel it from here. My face, my lips ain't coming anymore, but down here, then it's working its way down my stomach. By the time I get home, my wife is gonna hate it by the time I get home.